Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing great. Today I came again in front of camera to practice speaking, and also I came in the new room, in a one new room to practice speaking because there are one friend. He's a good speaker, so that's why every day I came here to practice with him. And um, right now he is cutting some foods for dinner, and you can you always practice speaking. So I always try practice every day. And few minutes ago he gave me two carrots, okay, and to eat because it is one of the healthy food. Whenever we will take this type of foods, it will improve our uh, body's vitamins. So vitamins is very important for our body to be stay healthy, to be stay strong, okay. And today I didn't study more because today I felt very much sleepy, so that's why whole day I slept. And yesterday I went to Karan Bazaar to visit one place with my friends because my one Fubato cousins, he's also my cousins, also my friends, and he's also doing something because he also good at speaking, and he always practice with me and on video call. Every day I also practice on video call with my friends, and they share me one topic, and every day everybody can describe about the topics. Because if you take some topic and if you study this type of topic, and it will improve your knowledge. Because if you don't know about before about the topic, and then that time, because of this of your practicing, you have to study. So that's why it will improve your vocabulary and also improve your knowledge, because and also it will develop your fluency. And there are four friends we practice every day on video call because there are also IELTS candidate, so that's why they want to make fluency in their English. And today I would like to share with you one topic. It is listening. Okay, listening also very much important. You have to listen every day, only 1 hour or 2 hour, if you can, as much as if you can. And so um, every day I am trying to make videos to develop my speaking, okay. And it is day by day it is being my habit to make videos, and also it always helping me to make my fluency. So that's why I always try to practice, okay.